A question I hear on a regular basis is, can you redeem more than one Xbox gift card at a time? Of course the answer seems obvious, but if you don't know, then keep watching. The answer is definitely yes, you can redeem and use more than one gift card at a time. In many situations, several people will give you cards for your birthday or other occasion. And that's great for you because you can take them and enter all the codes into your Xbox console. The money would just keep adding up in your account for later use. Most of the time, one gift card might not give you enough money to buy a game, so you have to add more than one gift card. In addition to redeeming the gift card code on your Xbox console, you can also log into your account at xbox.com and redeem your gift cards there. The money will be added to your account and is immediately available for use on the Xbox console, at xbox.com, or even microsoft.com. If you have the Xbox app installed on your phone, you can also redeem your codes there. Just tap on the Microsoft Store button and then tap on Redeem a Code. Here you can redeem your Xbox gift cards plus any other codes you have, making it really convenient to do. And when you do receive an Xbox gift card, I'd recommend redeeming it right away so it will be safe in your account and ready for use. That's because if anyone gets a hold of your gift card code, there's nothing stopping them from redeeming it for themselves before you do. So when you get your Xbox gift cards, go ahead and stack that money into your account. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.